Okay.
Hello, this is Kimmy Fortune's granddaughter with Save a Fortune with the Fortune. So she got this ring light, but the packaging is terrible. Like, I really want. Let's open it because I want to see if it come with like a little stand. So it's very small. She probably gonna get this to me, y'all. So this is mine. And it come with a little stand. Yep, this is definitely mine. Okay, can I have my arm back, please? I'm just put that back in there. That stuff. Okay. Stop. I don't know what this is. Yeah, she got whatever this is.
Battery charger.
This is a battery charger. She got a selfie stick. She can definitely have this. And the packages for that was nice. What's these drills? Hey, speed, better, Carter. What is this? The packaging on this wasn't too good. Oh, yes, a drill. And it's pink. Yes, this is very pretty. I'm pretty sure this is mine. Very pretty. Nice hot pink. Logan looking all crazy. She got some little decals for nails. No idea what this is. What is this? Blades. What is this for?
It's a scalpel.
Scalpel for what?
To cut stuff.
Oh yeah, because they do say blade. So she got a scalpel. What's this?
It's a bit for a drill.
Okay, you got another drill bit, you know. Slowly learning. What's this? These are coasters?
Mm-hmm.
Got some coasters. They're pretty. My hair, y'all know this side of my hair look a mess while you trying to get me to do this. She got some more earrings. These are cute. She gave me some like this, but they crowns this time.
And the girls.
More decals. These are really pretty for nails. Grandma, once this girl out, I want you to do my nails. I want you to recreate a set that you had already did before. I'm gonna show you that. I got a screenshot of it.
That's a wrench to fix my sink.
Okay, here's a wrench. Oh yeah, I see it now. Or do I? Okay. I'm just gonna open that. Just a little beauty. Another drill bit. 2 of them at that, I'm guessing. Okay, here we go. Got a car plug with multiple different places to plug it in at. Got these for eyebrows. For me, because yours tatted down.
That don't mean I can change the shape of them sometimes.
Here go the other earrings from my little sister. What's this for?
Baxter.
I thought this was just for them. He's going to sleep.
Brush back and
boom. Look at me crazy. Another drill bit thing. You're going to have to tell me what that is.
Okay.
The little feet thing that I need. Good, because I need one. What's that? You got another wrench?
A different size.
Okay.
Oh, that's a little cute.
This is for dental care. I have no idea what this is.
Oh, it's to hang stuff.
Let's hang stuff on the wall.
That's a drain clean.
Yeah. There's a sticking to the bottom of the bag. Sorry, y'all. My best friend texted me, interrupting our video. It's a little ghetto. I don't know why it's sticking to the bag, but yeah. Nothing. Another drill bit. Did you order all them colors? Here go the one for me, because she got two, so I'm pretty sure one is for me. Hey, now.
No, baby.
Thank you so much. Come over here waking your brother up. She got eyeliner and it's still eyeliner, I guess. That don't even make sense. It says eyeliner and seal eyeliner, but what would you need to seal?
Okay, that's to stamp your point on the end. When you do the liner and then you got a point, that's the point stamp.
Okay. Yeah, because I don't even know how to do it. So this will really help you out. She got a little belt.
No, that's not. I think that's
It's a keychain, it looks like.
What I think is he eating paper? No, Landon.
I don't care. Move.
Don't push him. He
be fighting me, so. Yeah, now you don't want to fight. She has more drill bits. What is this?
That is a box opener to be on my key. You take the top off and there's a blade in there.
Oh, I thought this was for like your necklace. You know that you got granddaddy in.
Oh no, it's not an urn necklace.
Yeah. And guys, that's it. We got
What
a
is
lot.
that?
Another drill bit.
Oh.
We got a lot of the same stuff, but yeah, the packaging could have been better for certain things, but we're gonna use them and tell you guys how they work. And yeah, that's it for saving a fortune with the fortunes.